Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mount this universal speedometer and tachometer which I bought from AliExpress, and I'm going to show you how to connect it to a Yamaha XJR400, which is a 1995 model, but it should apply to most Yamaha bikes since they will be using the same color in the wiring harness. So to open the headlight, there are two screws at the sides. Just put the headlight here, make sure it doesn't fall. So first things first, this is a magnetic speedometer, so you will have a 3-pin which goes directly to the speed sensor that you have to connect. So it goes down here near the wheel. I mounted it with the brake caliper bolt. This bracket is included in with the speedometer kit, and just mount it up. Make sure that the magnet passes when the wheel turns, passes in front of the magnet. In my case, this is my magnet. I just put it here and it fits perfectly. So the nice thing about this harness is that it comes with plugs which are already compatible with the XJR400. So these are the 9-pin plug. You have another 6-pin one and another 6-pin one. So this will not be connected because these colors are used for the gear indicator, which this bike doesn't have, so it wasn't connected. Then I had to modify these two plugs, and I had to match the colors from the wiring harness on the Yamaha to match the wiring harness on the speedometer. So for this process, since it's a bit of a tight space, I will be posting a photo, so you can pause the video and match the colors. So to remove the wires from the connector, there's a small tab inside here, so grab a small screwdriver and just push a bit down on the connector so that the tab will go down and you can pull the wire from the back side. After doing this, I will give you the wiring diagram that will match the speedometer with the Yamaha wiring harness, and then just remove all of these and then just plug them in accordingly to match the default wiring harness on the bike. So I will post a photo with or a diagram with the Yamaha wiring harness color and the matching color on the speedometer. So if you wired it up correctly, the speedometer should light up with the ignition. As you can see, the neutral light is on because the bike is on neutral. The lamp light is on because the ignition is on. That's how I wired it. So basically, if I turn off the ignition, the lamp will turn off. The fuel gauge also works with this bike. That's pretty nice. And there is a button at the back of the speedometer. It's the only button, which is the menu button, and you can control everything from it. Basically, if you press it once, you change to the trip meter. If you keep it pressed for 3 seconds, it will switch to miles per hour instead of kilometers per hour. So I will start the bike to make sure that the ref counter works now. So the ref counter works, and now I will show you the final step, the settings, which are stored inside the speedometer. Basically you can access them by switching on the ignition and keeping the back button pressed for 5 seconds. So let's do that right now. So now I will show you how to set up the speedometer. So basically you hold the button at the back and turn on the ignition. Keep the button held for around 5 seconds or until the display shows the menu, which is this one, number 1. So these are the settings that I've been using, which works perfectly well with this bike. The first one is tire circumference setting, which I set to 1772. Hold the button at the back, keep it pressed to change the menu. So this one I set it to 1. So basically it says that the number of magnetic steel setting, I don't know exactly what is that. Tire rotating speed setting, I set this to 2. The fuel meter wire number, I set this to 2 also. And this is the mileage reset, if you want to reset the mileage of the speedometer. And that's basically it. So I've had the speedometer now for around 2 years, I think, and it has worked pretty well, never gave me any issues. So yeah, I think it was well worth the purchase. It was around 20 euro and I bought it, so yeah, that's pretty good for a very nice speedometer if you want to change up your old speedometer on your bike. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and hope you managed to wire up your speedometer and it works. And please like and subscribe the video if I have helped you, so it will help me do more videos. Thanks.